Of course, here is a longer, more detailed version of the script. In the silent, unending theater of the cosmos, countless lights flicker across unimaginable distances. Most are stars, burning with furious energy. Others are planets, silently orbiting in the dark. But between these two certainties lies a mysterious twilight zone, home to the universe's almost, the failed stars known as brown dwarfs. Imagine we could travel to the closest of these enigmatic worlds, a binary pair called Luhman 16. We're not just visiting. We're on a one-way trip. Our destination, the larger of the two, Luhman 16A. What would truly happen if you took the final, irreversible plunge into its depths? Your approach would be a journey into shadow and dim light. From a distance, you'd see the faint, cherry-red embers glowing against the black. Luhman 16B is slightly cooler and dimmer, but your target, 16A, grows into a colossal, stormy giant, its face a swirling canvas of deep magenta and oppressive, dark bands. It doesn't shine, it smolders with ancient, trapped heat. The gravitational pull would be immediate and terrifying, accelerating from a comfortable cruise to a terminal velocity of tens of thousands of kilometers per hour. You are now a prisoner of its immense mass, over 30 times that of Jupiter. There is no turning back. The first hint of atmosphere would be a shimmering haze, a glittering veil of silicate dust. This is not the welcoming air of a terrestrial world. It is a high-altitude storm of microscopic glass and sand particles, a sandblaster the size of a planet. Then, you breach the main cloud deck. The turbulence would be beyond comprehension, tossing you through an alien sky where the weather defies all earthly logic. Here, it doesn't rain water, it rains molten iron. Superheated droplets of liquid metal, glowing with their own heat, form a torrential downpour all around you. You are falling through a planetary scale blast furnace. As you plummet deeper, the distinction between gas and liquid begins to blur. The pressure builds at an exponential rate. First, it's like being at the bottom of the deepest ocean trench. Then, it's the pressure of 1,000 oceans stacked on top of you. The very structure of your vessel would groan, buckle, and then instantly atomize. You are now just a stream of particles descending through a supercritical fluid, a strange, dense state of matter that is neither gas nor liquid. The temperature climbs past thousands of degrees, a heat so intense it vaporizes iron and rock, a crushing, conductive heat that suffuses everything. If any consciousness could perceive this deep abyss, you would find yourself in a place where the laws of chemistry break down. You would reach the heart of the failed star. There is no solid surface to crash into, only a descent into ever-increasing density. Here, the hydrogen gas is so compressed that its electrons are torn from their atoms, creating a bizarre substance known as metallic hydrogen. It is a vast, planet-sized ocean of liquid metal, churning under unimaginable pressure and heat. This is the source of the brown dwarf's weak magnetic field. While not hot enough for true stardom, a flicker of fusion does occur here, the burning of deuterium, or heavy hydrogen. It's the last gasp of a star that could never truly ignite. So, the final verdict of your fall into Luhman 16A. It would be a journey of swift and total annihilation, a passage through stages of cosmic hell. You would be sandblasted by glass, melted by iron rain, crushed by impossible pressure, and finally, your constituent atoms would be dissolved into a sea of metallic hydrogen at the heart of a star that never was. These strange, dim worlds remind us that the universe is filled with objects that defy simple categories, existing on the beautiful and terrifying edge between what is and what might have been.